Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keys. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set your beats on keyboard, on E series Yamaha keyboard. So I'm using this very keyboard, PSR E463. Understand how to set your beat for your worship and for your praise. Please guys, if this is your first time of visiting this very channel, please do it to like, subscribe and share. So for your worship, I already click on style. So this is the 001, the number one style that is here. Understand? So we are going to be using 22, that is 16 bit. To select it, you click on 022. So this is 16 bit. This is what we are going to be using. Understand? Let me play it first before I set it up. To start it, you press this start. See, it's not yet set. I'm going to set the tempo. You understand? I'm going to set the tempo. To set the tempo, you click on tempo here. It's on 80. Let's reduce it to like 60 to see. It's still a bit fast. For pure worship, let's put it at something like 55. Yeah, this is okay. So this is okay for your worship. You understand? So with this very beat, you can play. I'm recording with one hand, but I'm going to place it. I'm going to set it up, then place it here, so to play something with the beat, so you guys see it. So this is it. So that's it for the worship. If you want to set up your eSend keyboard for your praise, this is 16 bit for the worship. I normally use Makosa bit. If it's for the praise, it's at number. You can also use this knob to go up and backward. It makes it faster. Normally use Makosa. Makosa is like, let's check Makosa. Yeah, Makosa is on 164. You see. Let's see the tempo first. You see, it's very fast. So let's reduce the tempo to something like 100. Let's see. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, you see, this is pure Makosa beat. Then let's play something and see. Let me increase the beat, the volume. There is another beat you can also use for same makosa. Let me check. Yeah, this modern Afro beats. It's like modern. You can also use this beat. You see? Let's decrease the tempo a bit. Let's decrease it to like 100. See? See? I've done many tutorials how to play makosa, but I will also do it on this very channel very soon. Understand? So this is how to set your beat for your worship and your praise. Hope you enjoy this video tutorial, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you, guys.